Hi everyone, I've recently been to Dubai on a holiday. You must have seen all the pictures in my Instagram. If you're not following me there, you must follow me. There are many interesting pictures on my feed and I keep updating on my Insta stories. Coming back to my Dubai trip. Before going to Dubai, I bought some clothing, very little clothing. You know me, I don't shop much, but when I shop very little. So before going to Dubai, I bought some clothing, and in Dubai also I bought very little clothing. I will be showing all those today. So today's video is going to be my Dubai shopping haul. First, I'll be showing what all I bought in India before going to Dubai. After that, I'll show you the Dubai shopping haul. Most of these clothes are already worn. So this one I bought in India. I love the yellow. You know how much I like yellow color, and that too, this kind of yellow. I love this because of the fabric and the detail on the shoulder. It's just joining the front with the back on the shoulder, and there is little gathering over here, and this continues as sleeve. It falls over here for me. It looks pretty loose on me. I like that fact a little more because I like comfort clothing. You must know that by now if you are following me for a while. And I got this white t-shirt. I already washed it and I don't know how there is a stain, there is a color on this white t-shirt. I never had a proper white t-shirt. This is a simple one with the star sparkly thing on it. This is also again a sleeve which is continuation from the shoulder, a roll-up sleeve detail which is attached over here so it won't open up. This also falls on me a little loose. I like that fact again. I have to see what to do with this. And the black t-shirt. This one I really like it. Nowadays you get to see the sequin detail everywhere on everything. My daughter picked it up. She loves this sequence detail. And I thought I'll have a plain black t-shirt. I was not sure about this length sleeve. But when I tried it on, I kept the sleeves rolled up. When I rolled it up, it looks really good. And this is a crop top, but again, it's not a tight-fitting t-shirt. It's a comfort fit. And I love this detail here. This one, when you pull it, and it'll come close to the waist, so giving the shape to the body. I like this detail. And I got these leggings or track pants, you can say. I've been looking for one bottom with the stripe detail. I wanted one with the denim, but I did not find denims. Finding denims is very difficult for my body shape. I'm still looking for one. When I find a perfect one, I will definitely make a video how to find it and show you guys. Wait for that video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, you must subscribe for those kind of beautiful videos. And I like the detail of the waistband. There is no separate waistband. This one folds in and it's wide. It sits really well on my body. With this pants, I wore this t-shirt as my airport look. I'll just insert a picture over here for you to see. You can see that on Instagram also. I really loved this combination. And I wore a hat on it which is again yellow and black. I felt it's too much yellow happening, but somehow I like that look. Now coming to what I bought in Dubai. You must know how much I love dresses, and this one is so comfortable. It's a lightweight denim which has a nice frill detail on the neck. It's a sleeveless and it has this drawstring thing in the front. So this is very long. When I wear it, it comes around my waist or tummy. It looks really good. I bought this from Splash. Splash is a brand which I like a lot because they have different kind of designs and the fits. This brand is from Dubai. So when I was staying in Dubai, a Splash store was very nearby, walking distance. So I really wanted to check it out. When I went there, I liked this denim dress. And it has this beautiful embroidery over here. And I like this ladder kind of detail in between. When I wore it, it was so comfortable. I wore it with my sneakers. You must see all these pictures in my Instagram. I'll leave the link in the description box to my Instagram page, and you can see the handle on the screen right now. When I saw this embroidered denim bag in Splash, I could not resist myself from buying. It is small but carries pretty much everything I need. Shrug or open jacket kind of thing. The front part is completely open. There's no button. It'll just hang on the body like that. It fits so well. The fabric is so pretty, and it has this roll-up sleeve detail which I liked. But it came for 20 dirhams. I'll write the price in rupees on the screen. Somehow I wanted to have these fabric hairbands. Yeah, I can buy these in India as well, but when I was shopping there, I liked this one, and it goes really well with the denim dress. I wore it with the denim dress. I went to H&M to check out the discount, and I found this beautiful blouse. It looks amazing. It's a short crop top style. It fits so well. It has this flare kind of detail at the sleeve hem and on the neck, which goes all around in the front and at the hem of the blouse. It's really good. The original price is 99 and it was coming for 40, so I thought I'll take that. And I bought one bralette. I was always keen to pick a bralette, but I tried looking for these in Zivame. I was not sure if I want to take them, but this one was fitting so well. I could not leave it, so I bought this. 89 dirhams was coming for 25. It fits really well. I think I'll go buy some more from Zivame. Winter wear collection started off everywhere. In India also I saw winter wear. And then there in Dubai also winter wear started. I could not resist myself from buying this one from H&M. This is like open neck over here, and this falls full sleeve, and it has this puff kind of feel to the sleeve. I love that detail, and it is red, bright red. It looks really amazing. I really loved it. This one came for 40 dirhams. So that was my shopping before going to Dubai and from Dubai. So let me know which one is your favorite. And guys, my Dubai vlogs will be coming soon, so wait for my updates. If you are not following me on Instagram, you must follow me there so you get all the updates. Subscribe to my channel by clicking that red button below and then click the bell next to it so that you will get all my video notifications. Until next time, bye.